Hi everyone, it's Liam here from Biggerplate.com, joining you today from the very warm and beautiful city of Bangkok, where I've been based for the last month learning a little bit more about the use of mind mapping tools and techniques here in Thailand. As part of this process, we did a quick look into some Biggerplate analytics to see what we could learn, and so I thought I'd share some of those insights with you here whilst exploring the city just a little bit. So let's take a look. So at the time of filming, we've got just over 1,500 members here in Thailand, based on those who've added country information to their Biggerplate profile. This makes Thailand the 20th largest member group on Biggerplate.com, just behind the Republic of Ireland and just slightly ahead of Mexico for comparison. With our total member community now just over 250,000 members worldwide, this means Thailand represents 0.6% of our total member population. When we look at our website analytics over the last 12 months, we can actually see that Thailand was the 11th biggest source of visitors to Biggerplate.com, sending an average of about 1,000 visits to the website every month over the last year. So you can see a bit of a difference here, a bit of a gap between the website visitors from Thailand and the number of those visitors that actually go ahead and register with us for a free membership. It's a big area for us to improve on at Biggerplate, not just for Thailand, but certainly there are some specific things that we think we can do to improve the numbers here. More on that a little bit later on. When we look at the software preferences for our members in Thailand, we can see the following information shown here on the screen. So you can see a big section of the member community in Thailand has not actually provided any information about which mind mapping software they prefer to use. So if you're one of those Thai members, log into your Biggerplate account today and let us know your preferred software so we can provide a more accurate picture and, importantly, better resources for our member community. Top of the tree in Thailand with a view of the world is iMindMap, with nearly 10% of our members in Thailand choosing this creative mind mapping software from the team at OpenGenius in the UK. Now, even if the iMindMap product is no longer being actively developed or supported, it seems the software retains a loyal following here in Thailand and remains some way ahead of the next most popular software. The open source software Freemind ranks as the second most popular software amongst our Thai members. Simple, free to download and easy to use, it's not hard to see why Freemind continues to attract new users, even as the product is now some years behind the curve in terms of functionality and design. Mind Manager fills in the third most popular position, with 3.4% of our members in Thailand choosing this powerful mind mapping software. Now, in a city like Bangkok, you're not short of big enterprise level businesses operating globally, exactly the type of customer that leans towards the power and professionalism of the Mind Manager software, perhaps explaining the relatively strong position for Mind Manager here in Thailand. Fourth on the list is Xmind, with 1.8% of our Thai member community preferring this creative and affordable mind mapping software developed by a fantastic team in Shenzhen, China. So what might we take away from that software snapshot? Well, with iMindMap software development and support ended some time ago by the developer, it's going to be interesting to see how long iMindMap holds that top position in Thailand or any other country for that matter. Updates to the operating systems on modern PC and Mac computers mean at some point legacy versions of iMindMap will most likely stop working properly. And at that point, the key question is, where will those iMindMap users in Thailand go? Will it be to one of the other top 4 products here on the list, or is there another mind mapping software that's going to force its way into the Thailand top 4 over the next couple of years? We'll keep monitoring and share our insights over the coming years, and I expect we may see a bit of a downward trend in those iMindMap percentages over time. So there you have it, a quick tour around some of the stats and facts we've got for our members in Thailand and a few local scenes to help along the way. For Biggerplate, there are 3 things on the Thailand to-do list right now. Number 1 is website localization. Converting more of those website visitors from Thailand into registered members is the first task on the list for us, and the first step to improving that is to make sure Biggerplate.com speaks the Thai language to Thai visitors when they arrive for the first time. Localization of the website into Thai language will therefore be coming shortly in 2023. Secondly, we need to build our creator network out here in Thailand. The next task for Biggerplate is to identify and engage with more mind mappers in Thailand who are creating and sharing mind mapping resources. At the moment, our creator network in Thailand is relatively small, and so we need to work harder to engage some of those 1,500 members and find the ones who can really help us to build up the Thai language resources available on biggerplate.com. Finally, third on the to-do list is to engage with higher education institutes here in Thailand, like this one. We can see from our member data that there are lots of people joining us with university and college email addresses here in Thailand, but we're not quite sure what's driving that since we don't have many Thai language resources available on the website at the moment. So engaging with staff and students from these universities is a key step in understanding how we can better cater for this section of our Thai member community. That effort begins here in Bangkok. So finally, if you're a mind mapper here in Thailand, the best thing you can do to help the Thai mind mapping community grow is to share your mind maps on biggerplate.com. The heart of Biggerplate, of course, is our free mind map library, containing over 18,000 mind mapping templates and examples shared by members from around the world and available to download for free, giving you a huge variety of things to choose from. If our members in Thailand can share more mind maps in the Thai language, then we will be able to provide better resources for those 1,500 members we currently have and hopefully attract many more from the region. So that's it from me here in Bangkok, Thailand. If you have any questions, comments or feedback about this video, please drop them into the comments below. My next stop is India, where I hope to share some Indian insights with you very shortly. So be sure to subscribe to the Biggerplate channel to stay updated with new resources and insights to help you go further with mind mapping.